Students, today we will start with chapter number 10, that is circles. Okay, so now first of all we will have a little bit introduction about circle and its related term. Then after we will move towards our exercises. So what is a circle? So the collection of all points in a plane, okay, collection of points in a plane which are at a fixed distance, okay, from where? From a fixed point is called a circle. Okay, the collection of points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. This is all the collection of points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Suppose this is O is the fixed point, and from this the distance is fixed. This is your fixed distance. And then when you will draw a circle, when you will draw a length, that length of this all points, when you will join, then you will get a proper circle. Okay, so this is the circle, and the definition of circle is the collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. This is the definition of a circle. You can underline. Then next is the center of a circle. What is known as center of a circle? So center of a circle, suppose if you are having a circle and in this circle you are making a center in the interior of a circle. Okay, this is what center of a circle. So the fixed point in the interior of a circle. What is center of a circle? So center is a fixed point. Where it is? So it is in the interior of a circle. So a fixed point in the interior of a circle is known as center of a circle. Then after, when you will have center, you will have radius also. So what is radius of a circle? So the fixed distance from the fixed point. Okay, fixed distance from where? From a fixed point. Suppose this fixed point is your center, and from here, from center, the fixed distance to the circumference of the circle. Okay, the fixed distance to the circumference of a circle from a fixed point is known as radius of a circle. This all is a radius of a circle. That means from one center, from a center point, whatever the line segment you are making to the circumference of a circle, that line segment, irrespective of the numbers, that line segment is your radius of the circle. Then after, if you want to underline the definitions, you are having definitions over here. The fixed point is called the center of a circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of a circle. Then after, next is remark. Now see the remark. Note that the line segment joining the center at any point on a circle is also called a radius of a circle. Okay, the line segment joining the center at any point of a circle. Any point of a circle means on a circumference of a circle, and from center, if you will make any line segment to the circumference of a circle, that we will consider as radius only. So this is your radius. Then after, on a plane, if you make a circle, if you are making a circle on a plane, okay, suppose this screen is your plane and I am making a circle on a plane. Suppose I had made this circle on a plane. So this circle divided my plane into three parts. What are the three parts? So first is exterior. Exterior of a circle. Second is interior of a circle. And third part is, this is on the circle. That means on the circumference of a circle. Okay, this way I got three parts: on the circle, interior of a circle, and exterior of a circle. Okay, so here, now here you are having underline this thing, that is, a circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts. There are inside the circle, which is also called as interior of a circle. Inside of a circle is known as interior of a circle. Then the circle means on the circumference of a circle. Then we are having outside of the circle. Outside of the circle is also called as exterior of a circle. Okay, now next point is the circle and the interior region. Now see, suppose I had made a circle over here. This circle and all the interior region, means the whole interior region, is known as circular region. Okay, the circle and the interior region together forms a circular region. Suppose this is a circle and the center is over here, so this is the interior of a circle. So the circle along with interior of a circle, we are knowing it as circular region. Okay, it will form a circular region. So underline the definition of circular region. The circle and its interior make up the circular region. This is the circular region of a circle. Now next is chord of a circle. Now what is chord of a circle? So suppose if you are having a circle this way. Okay, suppose again you are having a circle with center O. Now if I want to make a chord, then what is chord of a circle? The spelling is chord. It is pronounced as chord. Okay, so chord of a circle. Now what is chord of a circle? So any line segment on a circle, with 2 points which join the circumference of a circle, that is suppose A and B. So this AB line segment is known as chord of a circle. Okay, so any line segment joining the 2 points on the circumference of a circle, that is known as chord of a circle. Now again, if I want to make another chord of a circle, then I can make over here, that is PQ. Here also I can make in this way. Here also I can make in this way. Okay, so this is chord of a circle. What is chord of a circle? So any line segment which is joining at 2 points on the circumference of a circle is known as chord of a circle. Then after, how many chords you can make in a circle? If you are having a circle, then maximum number of how many chords you can make? See, I can make infinite number of chords. One chord will be like this. This way I can make. Okay, then I can make in this way. This is the chord only. Then I can make in this way. This is also a chord. Then I can make in straight line. This is also the chord. Then I can make a vertical lines, vertical straight lines. These are also chords. Then I can make this way. These are also chords. So what are chords? You can make infinite number of chords in a circle. Okay, infinite number of chords, as many chords as you want, because it is a line segment only which is joining the two points on the circumference. Okay, so you can make infinite number of chords. Then after, next is the longest chord. What is the longest chord in a circle called? So how you will make a longest chord in a circle? So suppose again we are having a circle. Now suppose again we are having a circle with center O. Okay, now if I want to make the longest chord, so I must make the chord which is passing to the center. That chord must pass to the center. Then only it will be the longest chord. Okay, suppose this is AB. So this longest chord is known as the diameter of a circle. Okay, this is also the diameter of a circle. Now what is diameter of a circle? So the diameter of a circle is the longest chord in a circle. Otherwise you can say diameter of a circle is twice of radius. Okay, if you are given radius, that is 2 centimeter, and if you want to find out the diameter, then the formula for finding out diameter is 2r, that is 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 4 centimeter. So your radius will always be half of the diameter, and diameter is always the double of the radius. Okay, so this is the formula for finding out radius. So this is the formula for finding out diameter if you are given radius. Okay, now if you are provided with diameter. Then what will be the formula? So the formula will be half of radius. Okay, if you are provided with, suppose diameter is equals to 10 centimeter. So now if you want to find out radius, so radius will be half of diameter, that means d by 2. This is your formula for finding out radius, and it will be 5 centimeter 10 by 2. Okay, so it will be 5 centimeter. This way you will find out radius and diameter. And remember this thing, diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Okay, now make a underline. The chord which passes through the center of a circle is called the diameter of a circle. Then next, a diameter is the longest chord and all diameters have the same length, which is equal to the 2 times of radius. Okay, diameter is twice of the radius. Then after, next topic is arc in a circle. ARC, arc of a circle. Now what is arc of a circle? So suppose if you are having a circle with center O. Okay, now suppose I am taking 2 points over here. First is P and second is Q. Okay, so this PQ is a piece from circumference of a circle. Okay, so a piece of a circle between 2 points. Piece of a circle between 2 points. Okay, so now if you will observe clearly, this is your piece of a circle PQ. PQ is a piece of a circle between 2 points, that is P and Q. Okay, this is known as arc of a circle. ARC, arc of a circle. Now arcs are of two types. First is a major arc and second arc is minor arc. Okay, arcs are of two types, major arc and minor arc. Now what is a major arc and what is a minor arc? So major arc is a arc. Here if I will show you major arc, then major arc is a arc. This arc is your major arc. Okay, now on this major arc you need a point, suppose R. So how you will denote now major arc? So major arc is denoted as, this is the symbol, and you will write PRQ. This is the denotation of major arc. Then after, if you want to denote minor arc, then you will denote minor arc as P and Q only. Okay, when you will write major arc, you will take 1 point on the arc. Okay, any one extra point on the arc. So this is the representation of major arc and minor arc. Arcs are of two types, one is major arc and one is minor arc. Now underline the definitions of arcs. A piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Piece of a circle between 2 points is known as arc. Then after, there are two pieces, one longer and the other smaller. The longer one is called the major arc and the shorter one is called the minor arc. The minor arc PQ is denoted by this and the major arc PQ is denoted by this, where R is some point on the arcs between P and Q. Okay, now if P and Q, if both the arcs in a circle are equal. Now the situation is, if we are having a circle and if both the arcs in a circle are equal. Okay, suppose I am having a circle, this way I am having a circle, and if both the arcs are equal. Now for making both the arcs equal, I want to make a diameter. Okay, so I will make a diameter. Suppose here I am having a diameter, that is suppose P and Q. Okay, now both the arcs are equal, that is the arc above PQ and the arc below PQ. Both the arcs are equal over here. This arc and this arc, both the arcs are equal. Okay, so if this type of situation occurs, so you can say that each part is a semicircle. So underline the definition of semicircle. When P and Q are endpoints of diameter, then both the arcs are equal and each is called a semicircle. When you will get both the arc equal along with the diameter, at that time you will get the figure of a semicircle. Then after, underline the definition of circumference of a circle. So the definition for circumference of a circle is the length of complete circle is called its circumference. Okay, length of complete circle is known as circumference of a circle. Then next is segment. Now what is a segment? So if you are having a circle and suppose in a circle, okay, suppose this is your circle and in a circle this is your center. Now if I want to draw an arc over here, a chord over here, okay, suppose this is the chord AB. So the area between the chord and the arc, we are having, see, same arc we are having, arc is also AB and chord is also AB. Okay, so I am having here minor arc AB, this is minor arc AB and this is chord AB. Okay, so the area between this, now the area between this, that is this area, this whole area, this whole area is known as segment. Okay, we will say this whole area as segment. So what is segment of a circle? Segment of a circle is the area formed by arc of a circle and chord of a circle is known as segment of a circle. Now see, segments are again of two types. First is a minor segment and second is a major segment. Now what is a minor segment? So the area formed by minor arc and chord of a circle is known as minor segment. And what is major segment? So the area formed by chord of a circle and major arc is known as major segment. Okay, so here the segment which was I am showing you over here, that segment is a minor segment. So the question will come in your mind, where is major segment? So major segment is, let me highlight, this much portion along with arc AB, this whole portion is your major segment, this whole shaded region. Okay, this whole area is your major segment. Major segment, this is the segment. So what are segments? Segments are the area formed by the arc, any of the arc, either minor arc or major arc, and the chord of a circle. Okay, so this is the segment of a circle. Next is sector of a circle. Now what is sector of a circle? So suppose again if you are having a circle and you are having a center over here, that is O. Suppose I want to make two radius in this circle, that is radius P and Q. Okay, so the two radius along with arc of a circle is known as sector. Okay, see, whatever the area now this radius covers, this radius is covering this much of area. So this area is known as sector. Okay, now sectors are again, they are of two types. One is a minor sector and other is a major sector. Now why major and minor? So the area formed by the minor arc and the radius. Okay, area formed by minor arc and the radius is known as minor sector. And the area formed by, this is minor sector, okay, and the area formed by major arc and the two radius. Okay, now this is your major arc and the two radiuses are same for you, that is PQ, OP and OQ. Okay, so the area under this region, that means this whole area. So this area is known as major sector. This is your major sector. Okay, now these are your related terms to the circle. So what we had studied about radius of a circle, center of a circle, definition of a circle, then a plane divides a circle into three parts, that is external of a circle, interior of a circle, and on the circle. Then after the circle and its interior make up the circular region. Then after chord, what is chord of a circle? So a chord is a line segment which is connecting 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Then after next we had studied about diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is the longest chord in a circle, or you can say it is double of radius. Okay, now if you are provided with radius and if you want to find out diameter, then what will be your formula? So diameter is equals to 2 into r. And if you are given diameter and if you want to find out radius, then what will be the formula for finding out radius? So radius will be diameter's half, that is d by 2. Okay, now next is arc of a circle. Now what is arc of a circle? A piece of a circle from the circumference of a circle is known as arc of a circle. Arcs are of two types. One is a minor arc and second is a major arc. Minor arc is formed by minor arc and major arc is formed by major arc. Now minor arc and major arc is denoted by, if you are having arc PQ, so minor arc is denoted by PQ, and if you want to denote major arc, then you have to take one extra point on anywhere on the circumference of a circle, that is R suppose you are taking, so that will be your major arc PRQ. Okay, now next is semicircle. If you are having both the arcs same, okay, if you are having both the arcs same and a diameter is there with you, so that diameter will divide your circle into two equal half, and that will be the semicircle. Okay, then after, so semicircle is what? Semicircle is a region formed by diameter of a circle and equal arcs of a circle. Then after next is what?